Hi! In front of me is inHONOR Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like for example, location. Then tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you by tapping on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click and go back, I can see that Booking.com no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Camera Permissions. Then manage all of them only for a chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!